On the right side of the screen, you will find the volume controls. There's a green meter on the side. It will move up and down to indicate the volume of the computer. You can also mute the computer by pressing the mute button. Under those options are your microphone controls. This includes the podium microphone power button and the wireless microphone power button. The podium microphone is located on the podium beside your monitors. The wireless microphone is located in the safety box underneath the docking camera. You can contact classroom support to receive the code to gain access. There should be 2 wireless microphones plugged into the charging dock. Take the microphone from its charging dock and place the lanyard around your neck. Removing the microphone from the docking station will automatically unmute it. Make sure that the microphone is also turned on the control panel. Remove the microphone and place it back in the safety box. It will automatically be muted once it is on the charging station. Be sure to put it in its charging station again so it can be fully charged for the next user.